These weren't just tales, they were claims from normal individuals who asserted that they achieved such remarkable success through TikTok's new creativity program. The catch? They were not creating their own content. Instead, they were repurposing other people's material. The allure of a side hustle so secretive that people hesitated to discuss it on YouTube intrigued me. In this video, I embarked on a journey to unravel the secrets and techniques behind this seemingly elusive TikTok money-making machine. The story unfolded 30 days ago when a random Instagram video caught my attention. The video suggested a method of making money by downloading podcast videos embedding GTA V gameplay and uploading them to TikTok. Skepticism set in, but curiosity prevailed, leading me to join a free Discord server. This server, shrouded in mystery, held the key to financial success, according to its members. To gain deeper insights, I invested $40 to become part of the premium program, believing it could unlock the secrets to wealth. The premium Discord members showcased videos that garnered millions of views, leading to the assumption that TikTok was indeed a lucrative platform. However, the revelation came when TikTok launched its creativity program, a strategic move to compete with YouTube. This program allowed creators to earn $1 for every 1,000 views on videos exceeding 1 minute. The game changer was the ability to monetize repurposed content, leveraging existing fan bases. The entry requirements for the creativity program included being over 18, having a minimum of 10,000 followers, and accumulating at least 100,000 views. Having almost 8 million views on my new account facilitated a smooth application process. Upon joining the program, my excitement was soon tempered by a crucial revelation. Only videos uploaded after gaining entry could generate income. All the previous viral videos accumulating 8 million views wouldn't contribute to my earnings. This unexpected setback required a shift in strategy. TikTok started demonetizing videos that lacked originality, prompting me to research and devise a strategy to combat the unoriginality curse. The solution involved adding zoom in and zoom out transitions, subtitles, and filters to create an illusion of over-editing. This tactic allowed videos to appear original and less likely to be disqualified. Additionally, appealing and disqualification became part of the process, with ChatGPT assisting in crafting appeal messages. Amidst these challenges, I discovered lucrative niches that offered potential without extensive over-editing. Comedy skits took a backseat as I explored high-potential niches such as Would You Rather, Put a Finger Down, and quiz videos. These genres proved to be both original and viral, leveraging user interaction and sharing techniques to boost views exponentially. As my TikTok journey progressed, a premium member from the Discord server approached me to purchase my account for $750. This decision was influenced by the discovery of more lucrative niches and a desire to explore new opportunities. The sold account, created merely weeks ago, highlighted the potential for quick returns in this TikTok ecosystem. In essence, TikTok's creativity program presented a unique opportunity for individuals to monetize repurposed content. Navigating the challenges required strategic thinking, adaptation, and a willingness to explore new niches. The discovery of niches that combined originality, sharing techniques, and engaging calls to action added an extra layer to the potential success on TikTok. As the journey continued, the focus shifted from stand-up comedy clips to easy-to-produce, original content within the identified high-potential niches. The mysterious Discord server, secretive discussions, and the untapped potential of TikTok's creativity program unveiled a realm of possibilities. While the path to success involved overcoming setbacks and adapting to ever-changing algorithms, the potential for financial gains remains significant. As the TikTok journey evolved, the lessons learned from trial and error provided invaluable insights, ultimately putting one ahead of the competition by at least a month. In conclusion, the TikTok money-making machine, once shrouded in secrecy, became a tangible venture for those willing to navigate its intricacies and seize the opportunities it presented. Leave a comment if you want to join free guide how to follow for more.